Hi guys, welcome again to my channel, Finds TV Hobby Homeschool. This is Carmina. So as I've said from my recent live stream that we are changing the carpet of this room. So we are vacuuming, my sister and I, and my pamangkin. We are vacuuming first the old carpet. So just so when we remove it, these are the tools, guys. So when we remove the edges, guys, it's going to be a little, cleaner, right? So yeah, we cut out in any way we can, just chopped up the old carpet and rolled it. And then this is for disposing already. So yeah, so like a puzzle, just cut out. All right, so use an efficient cutter to do this in this motion. And as you see, a little bit, you have the tool to scrape off the carpet. It's not really, glued. It was just clamped on on the sides of all the edges of the room. There are tiny nails, nails pako. This one we're also vacuuming. And then, yeah, so this one, we're trying to edge the new carpet. Yeah. So it's easy really to remove the carpet, believe it or not, because it's not glued. But I don't know, like professional installation. But we also had to move. We did not put out the bed na. We just, put it upside down or on the side or tilted or something. And also vacuumed the frame of the bed, everything, guys. It's not as totally, cleaned up, but we tried our best really to just change it, the carpet. See, those are the nails on the side. All right, so this one, we knew already here that the carpet measurement we did was not exact. So, yeah, so we're just, trying to, so yeah, this one we bought the carpet. We went out again and then went to a store, Home Depot. Yeah. So yeah, so we got this one very long cylindrical carpet that has a center. It can't be bent. So that's Kamiya's idea, to put it like totally to the edge in the windshield of the car. But be careful when you do that. So this one, we reattach this one and then have it patched on whichever was missing on the original dimension. Yeah, that's what you do. Nothing to do, right? But, just use up whatever is available. All right. And then this one, guys, so trying to edge it really totally to the edge. Making sure that before you do your cut, make sure everything is covered. Okay, do not always have an allowance, like have an excess of a half inch or an inch. So just really cut and removing this air inside. So by pulling it, no? And then this one, trying to check the measurement. You see? Making sure before you cut it, okay? You make a crease, but then you cut it also like that. So thanks again to the family of my ate for helping me install this carpet. Yeah, and that I will also have to cut the one you see on the wall. So this one, no, it's better to have a little bit of an excess than, having two less. The last part, where the closet area, guys, trying to totally measure the excess carpet so I can cut out. Yeah, so it's not as perfect, guys. I know it's not an exact, as exactly measured, but just starting. Just try, just start. Thank you guys for watching. Take care.